Hey mates, welcome to Tech Solutions. Do you want to install WordPress on your Windows 11? With Bitnami you can easily install WordPress on your Windows PC and create stunning websites right on your PC. Let's make things easy for you. First of all, we need to navigate to bitnami.com. Open your internet browser and navigate. Go to the Applications tab and point to WordPress. Download the WordPress for Windows installer. This may take a while to download it, so have patience. It's done. Open the download location and start the installer. Choose your installation language. Couple of language options are available. You might get a notification to disable your antivirus as it may cause errors or slow down your Bitnami WordPress installation. You can ignore it as well if you want. With this Bitnami installer, WordPress will be installed mandatory. You can skip installing phpMyAdmin, but it is recommended that you install it. This will help you in customizing your databases and other things. Choose an install location. Default location is good for you. You can customize it according to your own preferences. Create your admin account. Enter your details accordingly. You can choose name for your local website or blog at the time being. You can also customize your email settings like Gmail for SMTP. You can skip it as well as it is not necessary for a local website or blog. Click Install and give the installer due time. No more user interaction is needed now. It's done. Click Finish to launch the WordPress. You must be seeing the shown page that WordPress is now installed. You can also access your created WordPress site or blog clicking on the shown link. This is your first local WordPress site. Did it work for you? Write in your comments. Thanks for watching. Good day.